Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel! So in this video, isi-share ko naman sa inyo kung paano mag-download at mag-register sa Traze contact tracing app. Recently, the Department of Transportation announced that all airport passengers must download and register an account in the Traze contact tracing app beginning November 28, 2020 prior entering the airport. So kung meron kayong biyahe sa mga airports natin dito sa Pilipinas, kailangan bago kayo pumunta sa airport ay nakapag-download at nakapag-register na kayo sa Traze contact tracing app. So ano nga ba itong Traze contact tracing app na ito? So Traze is a nationwide and unified contact tracing app. It's co-developed by the Philippine Ports Authority and Cosmotech Philippines Incorporated, which enables the government's contact tracing efforts to be strengthened and be more efficient. With Traze, the contact tracing process can now be done in just a few minutes, unlike the usual and manual process. Not only that, you can also be assured that your data is safe and secured, as the app fully complies with the Data Privacy Act or Republic Act number 10173. Further, it does not use Bluetooth or GPS, and it works well with slow mobile data and Wi-Fi. So, paano mag-download ng Traze app? So, you may download it for free on Google Play or at the Apple App Store. So, i-search nyo lang Traze Contact Tracing, and then pwede nyo na siyang ma-download for free. After downloading, you have to register your account and activate nyo na rin. So, in the next photos or videos, isi-share ko naman sa inyo kung paano mag-register at mag-activate ng account. Now naman, mag-register na tayo sa app. So, open the app and click the register button below. So, una, mag-agree muna kayo doon sa mga terms and conditions. Pagkatapos, makikita nyo on the next screen yung register an account. So, dun sa baba, yung no account yet, i-click nyo lang yung register para makapag-register kayo ng bagong account. So, dito sa next screen, makikita nyo yung iba't ibang klase ng account. So, you could register as individual, business or government office, barangay, transportation, or delivery crew. So, for this example, we will register as individual. So, yan, fill upan nyo lang yung mga required fields para makagawa kayo ng account. Huwag nyo rin kalimutang mag-upload ng photo nyo by taking a selfie, and then, itap nyo na yung submit para makapag-complete na yung registration nyo. To complete your registration, kailangan yung i-activate yung account nyo. So, mag-login lang kayo sa account nyo, and then kapag naka-login na kayo, itap nyo lang yung Traze Me. So, step 3, ito yung account activation. So, tap nyo lang yung activate account at i-enter nyo yung verification code na nakalagay dyan. So, pagka-enter nyo, ma-activate na yung account nyo. So, be sure lang na meron kayong internet para ma-activate yung account. Paano kung wala kang telepono or mobile phone or any device na pwede mong pag-downloadan ng Traze app? So, for passengers who do not have mobile phones, you may go to the Malasakit Help Desk sa airport. So they will provide you assistance in getting a unique QR code. So as of the moment, hindi ko pa talaga natatry yung paggamit nitong Traze app since hindi pa naman ako nagta-travel or pumupunta sa airport. But on my next videos, kapag nagkaroon na ako ng travel abroad or pupunta sa mga province na kailangan sumakay ng plane, I will definitely use this kasi requirement siya, and i-share ko sa inyo yung paggamit ng Traze contact tracing app. So for now, i-share ko muna sa inyo itong nakita kong frequently asked questions about Traze contact tracing app. How do I download the Traze app? So search Traze contact tracing from your mobile's app store and download from Apple App Store, Samsung Galaxy Store, Huawei App Gallery, Oppo App Market, or Vivo App Store. You may also visit www.traze.ph download.html for the download links. I'm using an iPhone and I cannot download the Traze app. What should I do? So kung iPhone yung ginagamit nyo, please make sure na updated yung OS ng iPhone nyo to iOS 13 para mag-work yung app. So for example, you're a foreigner or an overseas Filipino worker in abroad, and then you'll be visiting the Philippines, and you need to download the Traze app before flying here. So maybe you will be encountering an error in downloading the app, that it says that the app is not available in your country. So what should you do? So for Android users, you may download the APK file of the Traze app by going to the website www.traze.ph download.html. For iOS users, you may download a VPN and set the country to the Philippines. So does the app track your location? The answer is no. So it does not use Bluetooth or GPS to track your location. In addition, all your data is deleted every 30 days. So what are the benefits of using this app? So you won't be needing to fill up a manual contact tracing form, so therefore reducing your risk to catch the virus. You will also be receiving a notification once you have come in contact with a COVID-19 positive patient. This will allow you to do self-isolation and protect your loved ones. So siguro tinatanong nyo, gagana ba tong app na to kahit walang mobile data or hindi ka connected sa internet? After mo makapag-sign up at mag-activate ng account, pwede mo pa rin magamit yung Traze app kahit wala kang data or hindi ka connected sa Wi-Fi. However, you will need to go online once in a while to send the data to the server. So, will I be charged from using Traze? No. Traze is absolutely 100% free to use. So, libre siya i-download at libre rin siya kapag ginagamit mo na. So, don't worry, wala kayong kailangan bayaran. Kailangan nyo lang magkaroon ng internet minsan para ma-update yung app or ma-connect siya dun sa server. So, yun. So, sa ngayon na wala pa akong upcoming travels or nakaschedule na travels na kailangan dumaan ng airport, explore ko lang muna tong Traze app para sa susunod or pag dumating na yung time na magta-travel ako, madali ko nang ma-share sa inyo kung paano ito gamitin. So, definitely, kapag nag-travel ako, mag-video ako at i-share ko sa inyo yung madaling way kung paano gamitin itong Traze contact tracing app. So if you like this video, share this to your friends, give it a thumbs up, And mag-comment na rin kayo. Also, please don't forget to subscribe and to click the bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod ko pang videos. Happy travels!